Morning 3. Or 4. Morning 4. It's April 1st, 2026, y'all. It's on a Wednesday. That's not that. It's like a boat or something. Just came downstairs from my room. I don't know if I've given y'all enough of a room tour or not, but I might get more of a room tour, because, bruh, I ain't showing enough of my room, I don't think. It's beautiful out here, though. This is just like the beach rooms and stuff we hanging. I'm going to get breakfast right now. Bro, I swear Aruba's the best place, bro. I didn't even expect it to be this good, bro. Like, I knew it was going to be something, but like, something insane, but I did not expect it to look like this. This is actually really insane. People are not lying when they said this place is amazing. Unless you stayed in a hotel and you told me from point of view, that's not, like, they're near downtown, that's not as good as this. In my opinion, at least. It's all inclusive, the food, so it's already prepaid, so you just go in and get some buffet food. Not even have to pay or none of that, because it's already paid for. A main pool. It's like our main pool.
Inglés, todo el mundo así, sí. Okay, eso es bueno. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. Right now, you guys are on board the vessel Camila. That's the beautiful name of this catamaran, alright? Before we quickly on the safeties of Camila, right? And the rules. We're gonna start from the front, go all the way to the back. In the front, you folks will see two underneath. If something has to go wrong today, folks, please do not panic. Us crew members are gonna make sure we take out all the vests out, hand them to every one of you guys, just put it on, follow the captain and the crew's instructions, alright? Don't worry, these vests are brand new. Let's all try our best to keep these toilets functioning. So for the rest of the trip, we have working toilets. Now, final test, how to flush it. There's a silver or a black. Well, very cold day now. Yes, today is very cold day. Normally because of the today the wind is really good. Really good.
I don't know if you noticed when we were out there and the guys were surfing on those waves.
It's off your chain, and Uncle keep it jumping, and Cupid got the shuffle, bet the DJ said it hunted. The girls get excited, I see they off the jam. She stepping on the floor and screaming, girl, here we go. Now put your hands up high, baby, be your man to know when you gonna knock it out over the dance floor. You got them getting jiggy, the SOB's what they sit, make you can shuffle, it's the hustle, so everybody get with it.
So good. And they got the hot tub back over there. It's insane. No, I had to join it. This is a day one pool. This place was quiet. Now we got some hype in it. That was good.
Okay, a
got, like,
big round of applause for all our dancers.
colored,
Great
pool lights at
dancers
night.
today, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Very good.
Can't clap with a phone.
Okay, guys, and a big round of applause for our lovely dancers, Maidel and Lisbeth. Yes.